This is POCO C50 and today I would like to demonstrate how you can manually set up the camera brightness value on this device. So, without further ado, all the steps that you'll need to make, if I can put it like that, it's a single step basically. You just gotta tap anywhere at the, viewfinder, and then drag this sun icon to the bottom if you would like to make your picture dimmer or darker, and vice versa. If you would like to brighten up your shot, just slide this little sun icon all the way to the top. So that's how you can change the camera brightness manually. I guess that would do it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.